Hi guys, welcome to Elizabeth TV. Today, guess what guys? Today we're going to wash our toilets. Actually, today we are going to learn how to clean our modern toilets, guys. Don't mind. Yeah. Today we are going to clean the toilets. Don't mind. Yeah, otherwise, welcome to Elizabeth TV. You will not subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, like, share. Guys, we are moving on well. I appreciate all the family. Those who have joined the family, I appreciate you. Those who have not joined, please join my family, guys. I love you and miss you. Let's go to the video. Welcome, guys. We are cleaning. Come on. Today we are cleaning. So, hope you enjoy the cleaning. Mostly for those women, for the women who sit on the toilet, women will get some infection very easy. So please use this detergent to clean your toilet every time and then, and actually you're gonna be alright. Guys, let's get to the video.
Yes guys, and as you can see, obviously in every family, like mostly kids, they go to the toilet and actually they don't even flush the toilet, they leave it like that. So this is how we should protect it for mostly for us who go to the toilet. Actually tunainama, kuinama we squat. Yeah, exactly, we squat. Yeah, most women, we are the one who are affected by those infections. So the only way and the only thing to avoid this infection is only by using this detergent, guys. And when you're going to clean, you can see I'm putting on gloves so that I can protect myself. Guys, we're in the world of corona. Why should we not protect ourselves? We should protect ourselves by putting on our gloves. Mostly when you put on our gloves, you are free to wash the toilet very clean and very clean. Guys, put on our gloves when you are feeling you are washing your latrines so that they may look very fantastic. Let's use the gloves and wash our toilet when we are very free and we are not going to get infected or anything, because our hands, the only hand that only do everything. So if we don't protect our hands, then we're gonna be affected. Actually, I'm done. I have Zodex, I have Clorox. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, I have Duck. Those are the detergent that I am using. Actually, Duck is very good because I also have something to clean. Guys, don't just go there and clean your toilet like that. Make sure you brush it very clean. Let's move on. Yeah, I'm there cleaning. I have a gloves in my hands. I don't mind of everything. So I'm there cleaning. Make sure that everything is all right. Actually, I have put my Vidox there, the green soap. Yeah, I put the green soap to start with it, so that I make sure I reach every corner of the toilet to avoid, because when you go to the toilet, mostly we urinate, we do everything, and when you urinate, maybe some urine will not go inside the toilet, some other remain on the top of your toilet. So nowadays, mostly we are using the modern toilet, guys. We are using the modern toilets, guys, and that's why you see that actually we need to be very careful and make sure we clean it very carefully to avoid those infections into our children, and mostly in women and girls child. Guys, you can see actually I'm done with the inside washing of these. Yeah, and you can see the way it look like. It's very nice, very smart looking, wow, and fantastic. Yeah, make sure you use the detergent, make sure you clean every corner of the toilet so that the toilet look wow, and we avoid all the infectious disease, as you can see. Another thing, guys, make sure you clean even the floor. You know, most of our kids, they feel like when they go to the toilet they don't do. So I'm making sure that I pour my Clorox in the floor, so that I make sure I clean it very well. So my Clorox there, putting it down, and I'm also using my stuff to make sure I clean it gently. You can see, that's why I told you it's good to use those gloves, because you'll be very free and you'll do the perfect job. You will do, but you will not fear. You can see, see how I'm doing it, making sure that the floor is also clean, because our kids sometimes they go in the toilet without putting on anything. But when the toilet is clean, the kid will be very free. The kid will not mind. The kid doesn't mind. That doesn't know if his dad doesn't. But you as a mother is the one who, when the kid becomes sick, you are the one who will feel for that. But for the kid, it doesn't matter. He goes inside. So when we clean the floor, gently make it clean and put our disinfectants. Actually, there's nothing will affect them. There's nothing totally will affect them. So guys, please, when you are cleaning your toilet, make sure you do it very nice and to the best of your level, and the way you also like. When you go inside, when you go inside, you are very perfect about everything you're doing inside there. You don't go inside there, maybe you're going to urinate, you're going to do, and you feel like, oh, you're not comfortable. Wow, you need to be very comfortable. Our toilet is a very nice place, a very place that you need to look after it, so that we avoid so many things, so many infections, mostly women and girls child. Actually, you should look for this, guys. Share this video, like the video, any comment, put any comment below. I'll be very appreciative. You can see my channel, you can see my toilet now, how it looks like. Actually, guys, wow, let's take a toilet like the way you take your sitting room, the way you take your bedroom. That's how we should take our toilet. We should not just take because we go and put there our stuff, so that it should just remain like that. That is the place that we get so many diseases, but the things that we don't know, we don't know. But when you come to realize, you'll find that actually I'm talking sense. I'm doing my work. I can see I'm doing my work, trying to make it nice. How do you look at the toilet? How do you feel about it? Guys, put the comment below. Tell me how you feel like this. You feel about this. Just a matter of just how to stay safe and make sure that we take toilet like any other thing. The toilet, you should take it like even a plate that you used to eat. When you go to the plate and you want to eat and you find the plate is having something on it, actually you are not going to eat comfortably. You have to make sure that you will clean it again so that you eat it comfortably. That's the same way we should take our toilet. We should make sure they are clean like a plate that you use. How do you see it? Very clean, nice. Guy, another thing is you use detergent to clean our sink. Those are my sink. You can see the way they look like. So guys, the sink is where we always cleanse our hand. Anything we touch, we go there and we clean our hands. Why are we getting infected? Why are we getting this corona? They're saying the corona, mostly we get them using our hand. Because why? Our hands do everything. So guys, use the very disinfectants, the detergent to clean your sink. Sink is a very infectious thing, because every time you feel like you go and use the sink to make sure that you clean your hands. So guys, please like the video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you have anything you feel like you want me to do about it, guys, please, you are free to talk, you are free to do, put in my comment section, like the video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. I'm your lady, your girl. Welcome to LC TV. I love you guys. I love you, the love of God. Guys, you can see how is my sink look like. Oh, I love it. My detergent are good. they make sure they put it as white as pure as white, using my detergent, the Dike, the Oxide, and the Clorox. Those are my detergent that I use to clean my toilet, my sink. Oh wow, how do you feel about it? I feel so good. But let's use this as an example to make sure we do, and sometimes we run away from so many diseases. Actually, some other things just we do it in practice, not just a matter of just waiting for the something to come out, so that when it comes out we start saying, oh, I wish. Wow, can you see? How do you see? Clean it with all your heart. Actually guys, anything that you use or is essential to you, so when you're going to clean it, make sure you put your heart on it and clean it thoroughly. Yeah, because you never know. Yeah, as you can see, you can look at it. How does it look like? I'm happy about this, guys. You can share my video. Anyone who don't know this, actually, if you want to wash and to be free doing this washing with the toilet, with a sink, just put a gloves on your hands. You are going to do it perfectly and happily, and you are gonna enjoy it. Exactly, it's very wonderful. Like it, guys. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining this channel. Thank you for everything. Thank you for anybody who enabled me to reach there where I am. I love you, family. I love you guys. I love you with the love of God. May God bless you. Everything you're doing to me, I appreciate it. I adore it. I love it. I totally love it, guys. I really love it. Thank you for coming. For the returning subscriber, God bless you. For those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel. Yeah, we have come at the end of everything. You can see, hope you can check and look how the end of everything has been. Like this, guys, please, let's take a toilet to be a very essential thing into our life. Bye.